Welcome. Today I'll show you how you can change power plan and also how you can customize the plan in the Huawei MateBook D15. So the first we have to go for the settings, find system. Next we have to go for the power and sleep. When we are here we have to click on additional power settings and take a look. Here we got balance recommended plans. When you click here we are able to adjust it. So we can change on battery and plug in, turn off the display. So when we are on the battery we can turn off the display after 10 minutes. When we are plugged in we can set it up as never. The same when we want to put our computer to sleep. On the battery we can make it after 1 hour, and when we are plugged in we can go never. Then click Save Changes to confirm. You can also create your own plan by tapping here. So you can get power saver, high performance or balance. Let's pick high performance, click next, click create. When you tap right here you can also change advanced power settings and displays. So we can turn off hard disk, the same for the Internet Explorer, JavaScript, wireless adapter settings. You can adjust your graphic settings, like here. You can set up on the maximum performance, for example. So as you can see, you can adjust here a lot of things. Click OK to confirm, and then you can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.